Hey there, and welcome to Community Art Room. Today, I'm excited to share with you a brand new art kit we're prototyping for our website. We're calling it the Paint Your Own Plush Art Activity Kit, but this is just a working title, and we're open to your suggestions, so if you have any cool name ideas, feel free to drop them in the comments below. These kits will soon be available on our website, communityartroom.com. We envision them as a fantastic addition to your parties, providing a fun and interactive activity for your guests that also serves as a keepsake. Our art kits are hassle-free and perfect for you and your guests. We've taken care of most of the tedious work and manufacturing, so all you need to do is have your guests unleash their creativity. Paint it, stuff it, and seal it closed. It's that easy. I'm going to begin by using a water-soluble marker to trace 2 circles onto a piece of cotton fabric. Then, I'm going to roughly cut these out. And use a stencil and a permanent fabric marker to trace out the smiley face design. I'm going to cut out a piece of special paper into a circle that's about an inch smaller than the circle that's traced onto my fabric. I'll do my best to center it, and then I'll tack it in place using an iron. I'm then going to lay my 2 pieces of fabric on top of each other, matching up the outline drawn onto both pieces. Then, I'll pin around the circumference to hold everything in place. I'll use a straight stitch to go around the circle. And when I'm finished, I'm going to trim the excess fabric using pinking shears. Being gentle, I'm going to turn the casing right side out, and off camera, I attach the adhesive strip in the seam of the opening. Now I'm going to prepare my palette with fabric medium and my acrylic paint. I just wanted to get a feel for this medium and see if it's the right product for this application, but I'm on the fence. This medium by itself was very good for mixing the paint while it was on the fabric, but on the other hand, it had a tendency to coagulate the paint if too much of it had got mixed in. I'm not sure, but I'll definitely be using a different medium in the next video to see what we can do. Thanks to the paper inside, the paint isn't bleeding to the other side of the casing, and it isn't bleeding too much on this side either, so that was definitely a win. Now, for the other side, I just wanted to see what it would be like using pure acrylic paint with no medium added. And it's really bleeding a lot. So yeah, this isn't it. I'll be sure to figure out a better alternative to that. After I let it dry, I removed the paper from inside. And yeah, that looks pretty good. Everything here could have bled through to the other side, but it didn't. I'm going to start packing a lot of stuffing into the opening, and I'm going to keep smushing and smoothing the stuffing out through the outside of the plush to keep things nice and even. And when I'm done, I'm going to use my hair iron to seal it off. And that's it. Remember, our Paint Your Own Plush art activity kits will soon be available. To stay up to date with our latest news, behind-the-scene peeks, and creative inspiration, follow us. You can find us at facebook.com/communityartroom.md and on Instagram and TikTok at communityartroom. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel here on YouTube and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. For more information, tips, and to browse our full range of products, visit our website, communityartroom.com. Thank you so much for joining me today.